If you want to level up in AI, here's chunking in 60 seconds. So you want to search over this sentence. The best way to do that is with a vector database. Now, the way vector databases work is it takes a text unit and breaks it down into an array of floats. And each of these floats actually represents some sort of dimension. So this one could be color, the next could be size, etc. So then you vectorize your search input. And if it's similar enough to our text unit up here, we found a match. So how would you break up this document into text chunks? Would you do it by word, by letter, by entire sentence? What is the ideal chunking strategy? All comes back to semantic meaning and averaging values. Let me explain. Let's say we're searching for Gemini. Gemini's vector might start something like this. This number could be, it's an AI model. This number might represent that it's made by Google, etc. Here's the chunking problem. If you chunk just right, you get the exact same vector that you want. But if you chunk too big, you're going to get a much more average value for your vector here. And that means two things. One, you can't pinpoint exactly where in this entire text unit I mentioned Gemini, which is what we are looking for. And two, you don't actually get as clear of a match to our search term Gemini when your values are averaged. You can have the exact same problem here if you chunk too small and just had a singular letter. So what's the ideal chunking size? Something where you can pinpoint your answer and get some context around it to answer your question. And that's chunking in 60 seconds. Just deploy to get me to clean my mirrors.